just woke up. Where did you go and how did I fall in love so quick? And I cannot get enough of it.
Wow! Kabalot pa! May time!
May
Daming time to my love. This is reminder, kulang po, to cherish every moment just like I cherish our time together.
Sweat.
Ano ko yun?
Before you start.
Now all I'm asking is
How did I fall?
Kami!
How did I fall in love? How did I fall in love? How do I keep you here? How did I fall in love?
Ito na yung day na hinihintay ko, yung araw ng kasal natin. Kada tao na makakausap ko na nakakilala sa'yo, itikwento ka nila, it reminds me kung gaano ako kaswerte sa'yo. Pero ang totoo, I don't need those reminders kasi kada gising ko sa umaga, sapat na para maalala ko na sobrang swerte ko sa'yo.
To my first and last, spending 13 years with you feels like a roller coaster. Kasama ka sa lahat ng masasaya at malulungkot na araw ng buhay ko. I can still remember the first time na magkita tayo. You smiled at me and I smiled back. And that's the beginning of our story.
Sa loob ng ilang taon, madami na tayong napagdaanan. Pero ito tayo ngayon, nakaharap sa altar kasama ang mahal natin sa buhay. I will promise you I will be a good man and a God-fearing man. I will always pray for our relationship. I promise whatever happens to our life, I will be always by your side. I love you, Sheena.
Thank you for loving me the way you do. Thank you dahil gumagaan ang lahat pag nandyan ka. You were my strength, my peace, and now my home.
Remember, there is no such thing as perfect wedding, but there is a successful marriage. Of course, there's also perfect relationships. Even every relationship has ups and downs, and the ones who make it through are the ones who are really in love. According to the Close Republic of the Philippines and looking unto heaven for the divine sanction, I now pronounce you, man and wife, Arturo, Yemino Kisser, wife. Palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasal.
there is forever. Prove that there's really a forever. I also believe there's forever. You made my dreams come true bilang magulang to give an honor, not only to your parents but to yourselves as well.
Alam kong matagal mo na itong binubulong sa akin. Sana magustuhan mo. I love you, Sissy.
I promise na ako ang magiging kakampi mo, and I promise to support you sa lahat ng gusto mong ma-achieve. I promise to be by your side through ups and downs, and I promise to listen to you with patience, to communicate with openness, and to build a life filled with trust, respect, and understanding.
Wow! Wow, grabe. Pangarap ko yan, bro! Ito na, wala nang pangarap. Tinupad na ni Sina. Grabe, thank you, Sina. Bro, bawal na talaga tayo magbabilis. Kaya nga. Wow. Basta, bro. Tara na.
Sa kawalan dahil sa